The Rubicoil machine is a 4-to-1 pitch punch for plastic coil-bound books. It offers hardened steel dies for clean, precise punching of up to 10 sheets of 20-pound bond paper. The U-shaped handle maximizes the punching strength for effortless punching. The Rubicoil has a side margin guide, which you can adjust for different standard size book lengths. There's markings on the front of the machine for an 8.5-inch binding edge, also an 11-inch binding edge. The Rubicoil offers a document coil sizing chart integrated into the side of the machine. Just slide your book into the machine and it'll size your book for you. Different size books will slide differently into different size chart. The machine also offers an inserting table channel, which aids in manual insertion of the book. Take the book and start the coil by hand. Once you have a couple loops of coil into the book, simply place the book down on the coil table and insert the coil into the book. Once your coil is in the book, the machine also includes cutter crimper pliers. Take your cutter crimper pliers and trim off the edge of the coil for a finished document. Low cost, easy to use, the Rubicoil might be the right machine for you.